Hello everyone, welcome here. What is mean stack? So today I'm very much interested to share my views with the help of ChatGPT. I'm trying to getting this information to you. So great way to develop your interesting in learning in mean stack development where you have to focus. A step-by-step process I'll explain you. Let's begin with the help of OpenAI tool. This time trying to asking a query to ChatGPT AI tool is for mean stack is a popular web development technology stack that consists of 4 open source components. These 4 are MongoDB, which is in a database, NoSQL is used, ExpressJs, AngularJS, and NodeJs. The name MEAN is Mongo, Express, Angular, and Node. The standard component of stack. Here is a brief explanation each component what they are going to be involving in full stack development. So MongoDB document oriented NoSQL database that stores the data in JSON JavaScript object notation like format. ExpressJs is a web application framework for NodeJs that provides a set of features for building web applications. AngularJS or Angular. AngularJS is a JavaScript framework for building dynamic web applications. AngularJS is an earlier version of Angular. NodeJS, JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript on server-side scripting program. So mean stack is often used for building full-stack web applications where the client-side and server-side code are written using JavaScript. The components of a stack work together seamlessly, making it easier for developers to build scalable, efficient, large enterprise web applications. So learning this mean stack web development, you are having a great potential and future career. And also these all are open source components and open source technologies. Yes, if you are interested, learn from today mean stack. I'll catch you in the future lecture. Thank you.